Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. And your desktop icons is not show, and any folders data is not shows. How to resolve that issues? So guys, first right click on desktop and view show desktop icon. If you are like this, so view, right click view, go to show desktop icon, you click to automatically come your desktop icon. Then guys, open file explorer, means this PC. So open, and like any data, suppose I am creating one folder. Okay, right click to show more and click to this PC. So please uncheck hidden. Okay, then apply OK. Uncheck, I check it, property, then uncheck, then apply, and OK. Now third solutions. Then guys, Windows, yes, you can search directly indexing options, this one, then open, then guys click to advanced, and then click to build. Okay, and then close, wait and close. Now this is actually indexing the all data in your PC, so please few minutes, because now this is indexing your data, then close it. Okay, now fourth options, uninstall latest updates. So firstly guys, I suggest to click to Windows button and go to click to setting. Then guys click to Windows update. If you have any pending update like KB series, this is pending. Okay, so properly install, download and install, then restart your system, then check it. Okay, and next step is then uninstall and try. Okay, same update history. Okay, Windows update, slow down, advanced options, sorry, click to start run, type control panel, then guys click to launch, uninstall view by category, and uninstall program, then view install update. So guys, firstly try this one uninstall, then try again not solve this, we choose to try this one. So last two update, uninstall and try it. Okay, and next solution is, then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow, you look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do.
Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issues, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.